Right, today we're going to learn about manipulation of algebraic fractions. Changing the subject of a formula. Now, example is given. So P equals 2L plus 2B. Now, P is the perimeter of a rectangle, right? It's 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. We know that already. Wait. Okay. Oops. Sorry. Now, are we able to find an expression for length of the rectangle in terms of P and B? Of course. Okay, let's take a look at the example. So, okay, make L the subject of the formula P equals 2L plus 2B. So what we're going to do here, if we are going to try to move things around to get L only. What we're trying to isolate L to be alone. So the first thing we can do here is, because you see L here have times 2 and then plus 2B again, right? So we are going to move that to the other side. So try from the most outside first. So instead of moving this 2 here, which is directly attached to L, we move the 2B first. Move to B. Instead, the textbook like to use this kind of way. So they subtract or add both to both sides, right? So they subtract 2B from both sides, minus 2B minus 2B. This 2B minus 2B become 0, gone, right? So we have only P minus 2B equals 2L. Okay, which is again the same thing as what I like to do is I just move the positive 2B to the left side, become negative 2B. That's all. Simpler. Now after that, we are one step ahead already to be having only L here. So we still have 2 here. So let's move to the left side. Now, it's 2 times L multiplication. So when we move to the 2, it will become division. So L will become P minus 2B over 2. Yeah. Okay, so it is very possible to make L the subject. In fact, it's very possible to make any variable in any formula to be the subject. Now, why we need to do that? Because it will be easy for us to find, certain variable, the value of certain variable. Hence, calculate the value of L. See, we need to calculate the value of L. That's why we need to have L equals something. Now, the P is given 132 and 30. Just input here. 132 minus 2B, 2 times 30 over 2. You'll get the answer. Sorry. Another example, make X the subject of the formula Y. Even complicated formula like this, you still can do it. Want to find the X, right? The X is separated, into 2 places, You have X in the numerator, you have also X in the denominator. So let's do it slowly but sure. So rewrite the equation first, and then what you do here. So look, what we can do here is we can move the 3 plus 2x to the left side, become y times 3 plus 2x, and then equal 2 minus x only, left at the right side. Okay, now we times in the y. So 3y plus 2xy equals 2 minus x. Now, because we want the x, right? Let's group x's together on one side. Here we can, let's see. We can move the x's to the left side and the others to the right side. So, using my method, I just move instead of add to both sides or subtract from both sides. So you can compare my method with the textbook method, which is given right in front of you. So minus x, I'm going to move to the left side, become positive x. So I will have 2xy plus x on the left side, and the 2 and the 3y I don't want. I want to just dump it to the right side. So I will have 2 minus 3y on the right side. So in the end I will have this. From this to this. Again, yeah, I move the minus x from right side to the left side, become positive x. I move the 3y, the positive 3y from the left side to the right side, become negative 3 minus 3y, yeah. And then there you go, you have x on one side, right? Okay, you have both the x's on the right side. Now what you can do here is you pull out the x. That's the trick. Pull out x, you will have x open brackets 2y plus 1, or close brackets. And then you move the 2y plus 1 to the right side again. So we only have x here. And you have 2 minus 3y over 2y plus 1, which is here. Yeah, that's it. You have found the x successfully. Only the x. So the trick is, once again, if what you need to find is separated into two different terms, yeah, you just need to group them together and pull out the variable that you want. Yeah, like pull out, yeah, here's the most important trick. And after that we can calculate the x when y equals minus 2. So just put in minus 2 here. So that will be 2 minus 3 times minus 2 over 2 times minus 2 plus 1. Just calculate, easy. You can also refer to this step if that might help you. Yeah, this one. But for now I'm going to continue first. How many more? Let me see. Oh wow. Okay, there are 3 more example. So I think we're gonna split the video. So I think for now this is enough, and the next 3 examples will be in the next video. Bye bye.